all about the water. We're gonna go check out some of these springs. Apparently there's 8 springs. That's a huge number of really cool springs with different flavors and tastes. I'll have to check them out. As you can see, I'm at site 39. Looks like site 38. Site 39, which is on the creek side over here at Pikes Peak RV Campground. To say that, hard to say 3 times fast. And it's been really, really nice. You know, camping neighbors are the best, right? We know this. So, met lots of really cool people from all over Rhode Island, Texas, Oklahoma. A lot of people here. So, let's go check it out and let's have another adventure day. Okay, you always stop by the visitor center, and every time you go to, and I stop by Manitou Springs. Okay, guys, what your names are?
I'm Jesse.
I'm Hallie.
Yes.
And they're awesome. And they give me the whole, what I need to do, where I need to go, and where I need to park.
We got you.
Where I need to park, guys. If you need no parking, they got you.
Come on in.
The big green question mark outside. We'll be here.
All right, let's talk parking. If you have a big RV, there's only one lot that has big RV parking and it only has 2 spots. So that's number one to know. If you want to park for free, you can park down by the Chamber of Commerce site on the street. Anything after that, it's street parking's paid, lots of paid lots. So just be prepared to pay a little. It's not that bad though, like $5 for all day. So the gentleman at the visitor center told me that what they're really known for is their arts. Lots and lots of art places here, art centers, art sculptures. They're also known for, yeah, of course, their water, but the arts. Who knew? So let's talk about the railroad here. This is Pikes Peak Cog Railroad, the elevation of over 14,000 feet above sea level. This is one of North America's highest cog railroads. Pretty cool. Got a whole thing talking about it. It's really neat. Okay, as with most things in Colorado, you need to bring your own bag. They're going to tell you this all the time, so bring your own shopping bag. Okay, the Animal Lovers Gift Shop, you know I gotta try this out. This place looks so awesome. Sports dog, ski dog, beer dog, wine dog, coffee dog, oh my gosh, surf dog. There we go. Camp dog. Okay, I think I need this for Rosie. What do you think? Okay, there's so many really cute shops, lots of cute eateries. Just, you can really spend an easy day down here and grab some lunch, which I think I'm gonna go do. I think I'm going to a place called The Keg. I think they have beer. Welcome to the Petty Arcade. Okay, that was a lot of fun in downtown Manitou Springs. And I will tell you this, there's a lot to see and do. And just when you think you've seen it all, there's more. And I didn't even get to, like, I probably did like a third of it today. We didn't get to do all the springs. I mean, we barely got to even scratch the surface. We got to go a lot of shops, a lot of really cool artisan things. It is really, really known for their art, and there's lots of cool art there. Oh my gosh, t-shirts, fun gifts, glass, you know, blowing and things like that. I can't even begin to start. There's so many cool art collectives, art galleries. If you like art, this is the place to come. So anyways, oh, and had lunch at the Keg. By the way, the Keg was really, really good. Just sort of like a local hangout. I love this. Had a bison burger for the first time. You know, less tomato, mayo, onion. Gotta love that. Met a really cool guy named Mike, who's a local. So hey, Mike, thanks for letting me know all the local stuff and give me the inside scoop. Really appreciate that. And yeah, so just hanging back at the campsite, gonna do some laundry tonight, and then get ready for another day tomorrow. I hate to admit this, but is anyone out there like me who actually watches people back in? I know I shouldn't. It's a bad thing. People watch me too, so if you're like that too, let me know. Oh my gosh, have I seen some interesting parking lately. Okay, these awesome ladies, yay, just came over and met me, and they're renting this amazing Winnebago Solis. Hello, shout out to my friend who designed this thing. Hello, Amy. Anyways, so what do we help you guys with?
We learned how to put water in our water tank,
Okay.
which was so helpful. We learned how to dump our gray water,
Gotcha.
stealthily, and dump our, it's black water, it's called black water, dumped our pee down into the tube.
And this is the first time you guys ever done this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I literally was pulling in the park, and these guys were like, hello, we need water. So we hooked them up, we taught them how to do some stuff, because, you know, girls rock, right? Girls rock! This is fun, I love this. Okay, that was really fun. I love paying it forward. These girls came over and they said, hey, we rented an RV. I'm like, what kind of RV? It's a camper van, Winnebago Solis, and we don't know how to put water in here. We really need to put water in here. I'm like, oh my gosh. So that's exciting. Got to help like, someone out on the road. Some more girl campers, gotta love that. All my rock climbing friends, this looks really cool. Now, may not be my cup of tea, but it might be yours.